Here comes Lee. We're just going to go on this roof now. Do a bit of demolition. Lee, put us up here so I can get on that roof. Yeah, on that roof there, look. Jesus. It's gone through the fucking window. No, not the window.
Where?
There, you've got... Oh, I want to go on the roof, not the fucking window. You've... What the fuck? What you done? Oh my God. Lee, have you seen what you fucking done? Lee, have you seen what you've done?
I thought you wanted to go.
No. Lee, what you doing?
Why are you filming there? I thought you wanted to go.
Have you seen the fucking window?
Joe's gonna go mad.
Look at the window. Oh my God. No. I said I'm going on the roof, not through the window. Oh.
You can tell him.